Neural filters in Photoshop can sometimes be grayed out and completely unusable, even though everything looks fine. If this is happening to you, the fix is very simple. Make sure Photoshop is open and you'll notice the Neural Filters option is disabled. To fix this, go to Help in the top menu and click Sign In. This will redirect you to the Adobe website. Log into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Once you're signed in, go back to Photoshop and the Neural Filters option will be active again. That's how you can easily fix the Photoshop Neural Filters not working issue. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.